On April 10, 1815, Mount Tambora awoke with a fury. This volcano, located on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa, erupted with a deafening roar. The blast was heard thousands of miles away. It was the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history. The immediate impact was devastating. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic matter raced down the volcano slopes. These flows incinerated everything in their path. The nearby village of Tambora was completely destroyed. Ash rained down on the surrounding islands, burying homes and crops. The eruption triggered a tsunami that struck nearby coastlines. Waves as high as 13 feet crashed ashore, causing further destruction and loss of life. The immediate death toll from the eruption and its aftermath is estimated to have been over 10,000 people. The eruption of Mount Tambora injected massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. These particles spread around the globe, carried by air currents. The ash and sulfur dioxide acted like a giant sunshade, reducing the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface. The following year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer. Global temperatures dropped significantly. Frosts occurred in the middle of summer. Snow fell in June and July in parts of North America and Europe. The unusual weather patterns disrupted agricultural cycles and led to widespread crop failures. The dimming of the sun also caused spectacular sunsets and strange atmospheric phenomena. Artists and writers of the time were inspired by the eerie beauty of the darkened skies. The Romantic painter J.M.W. Turner, for instance, is believed to have captured the vibrant, unusual colors in his work. The agricultural devastation caused by the eruption of Mount Tambora led to widespread famine. Crops failed across Europe, North America, and Asia. Food prices soared and people faced starvation. The lack of food led to social unrest, rioting, and political instability. In Europe, already reeling from the Napoleonic Wars, the situation became dire. The widespread famine exacerbated poverty and disease. In North America, the cold summer of 1816 led to crop failures and food shortages. People struggled to survive the harsh conditions. The eruption of Mount Tambora serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. A single event in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences. It highlights the vulnerability of human societies to natural disasters and the importance of food security. Section 4. Artistic responses to a darkened world. The eruption of Mount Tambora had a profound impact on the arts. The gloomy skies, strange weather patterns, and sense of unease that followed the eruption inspired writers and artists. The year 1816 is often referred to as the year without a summer. Mary Shelley's famous novel Frankenstein was conceived during the cold and rainy summer of 1816. While staying in Switzerland with fellow writers including Lord Byron, the group entertained themselves with a writing competition. The dreary weather and confined setting are thought to have influenced Shelley's dark and imaginative tale. Lord Byron himself wrote the poem Darkness in response to the bleak atmosphere of that summer. The poem's opening lines, "I had a dream," which was not all a dream. The bright sun was extinguished, vividly capture the sense of dread that permeated the time. Section 5. A lasting legacy. The eruption of Mount Tambora serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of nature and the potential for volcanoes to disrupt human lives on a global scale. The event also underscores the interconnectedness of the Earth's systems. Scientific studies of the Tambora eruption have advanced our understanding of volcanic hazards and climate change. By analyzing ice cores, tree rings, and historical records, scientists have been able to reconstruct the eruption's global impact. This knowledge helps us prepare for future eruptions and mitigate their effects. The eruption of Mount Tambora was a tragedy that resulted in significant loss of life and suffering. However, it also inspired scientific inquiry, artistic creation, and a greater awareness of our planet's interconnectedness. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit.